Hey everyone, I'm Nicole Neely with mmToolParts.com, and today we're going to change out a switch in your DWS780. Alright, for your switch, we're going to start here with your handle, and it's your T30, and then we'll work our way down. Okay. Alright, on to the 20s. There you go, just like that. Okay, and you'll just gently pull this off. There we go. And then you'll have access to your switch, and you may want to take a picture before you start pulling things out, just so you make sure you get it back on correctly. And then you can just pull it out. And you can see your wires here. These two are your motor. Use a T15 for these ones. There's the old, and all right, so now we have your nice new clean one. We're just gonna line it up. Kids. There we go, we're all tight. Everybody's in their place. Okay, so we've got our wires back on. We're gonna just push it back into place here. Line it up. So your wires are down, out of the way. Okay, now gonna put the handle cover back on, line it up, put the other switch on. Okay, now we're just gonna put our screws all back in. Let's tighten these on. Let's see. T25s. So it's a beautiful chime. Okay, then we'll just put our handle back on. Kind of just slides back in place there. Get our T30. There you go, all done. Brand new switch, and we're set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and you can also find us on all these social media platforms. And you can find any of the parts we used today here at mmToolParts.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.